Hello and welcome to the video walk around of the 2015 Mitsubishi Outlander in white finish with a 18-inch of Mitsubishi alloy wheels. As you can see, the vehicle's got a privacy glass and a roof rails. All four alloy wheels are in good condition. This is a 7-seater, by the way, and it's got a rear view camera which I'm gonna demonstrate for you shortly. Electric tailgate as well. Which the button is in there. It's got split folding rear seats. And the two seats at the back, rear back, very easy to fold down and put them back on. It's got keyless entry and go as well. And the front view of the vehicle is got front forks and headlamp washers. It's got contrasting full leather interior with grey stitches on the sides. Leather is in very good condition. 7 headrests. Isofix for child seat preparation. A rear center armrest with some cup holders. Very good size of a leg room, and it's got front and side airbags for your safety. And it's got some airbags on the steering wheel as well. So here we have the electric windows and folding mirrors. It's got electric driver's seat. Traction control. Once we step in, as you can see, it's got a automatic transmission. Push button to start. Multifunction steering wheel. The voice commands on the left hand side. And then the cruise control on the right hand side. As you can see, it's got paddle shifts. Heated seats. 4-wheel drive button. Satellite navigation. And that's the reversing camera. It's got eco mode. Air conditioning with a dual zone climate control. If you go to the audio, as you can see, it's got a DAB radio as well. Bluetooth audio, which allows to stream your music directly from your phone without using any cables. It's got center armrest. with some storage compartment under it, a 12-volt power outlet, and media. No, that's not the media interface. This is the USB slot in there. And a tilt and side electric sunroof. This was the video walk around of the 2015 Mitsubishi Outlander. To book a test drive or for any further information, please give us a call. Thanks for watching.